Hello my YouTube fans. So I'm here with a new video, and in this video I will be reviewing a laptop or mobile opener toolkit, and it is having 115 in 1 screwdriver sets. So this has been delivered a few hours back to my doorstep, and I am reviewing this kit in front of you. So let's unbox it quickly. Okay, here we go. And here is the first impression. I'm not so impressed because the box is damaged and the quality of box is not so good. But first of all, we will talk about the internal parts. So all total there are 115 screwdriver sets, changeable head, and here additional type of heads are there, and this is for opening the laptop or mobile phone. You can just put in between the parts which you want to pop up, and this will help you to do the same. So there are several red and black different kinds of sets are there. Okay, let's go on the other side. So this is the other side of the toolkit box, and here we go. This is the screwdriver handle. So you can adjust the handle and adjust the size of this particular area. If the screw is too deep, so you can just make it longer, or else you can just keep it shorter. And this is the another thing. This is like flexible screwdriver opener, alternative device. So if I'm holding it in this manner, so still you could able to open the screws. Let me show you one example. So let's say I have taken this nose, and if I'm rotating the screwdriver handle at this end, you can see the nose is also rotating. So you can open up any screw. Means if you are unable to put the screwdriver at that particular place, you can use this and bend it, and you can operate. That's quite good. But again, the build is not so elegant. It's not so good. And let's move on to the other part. So this is tweezers, and the tweezers are very thin. It's very thin. If you will be holding some if you will be applying some pressure on it, the tweezers will be twisted. It might be twisted because it's very thin. And this is another toolkit with different handle. The grip is different, and these type of tools can be used in this manner, like if you are opening this mobile phone or laptop. So these kits, the tool I am holding right now, it is made up of plastic. Plastic looks good, but I'm not sure how durable it would be if I will be using it rigorously. And this is another toolkit with different holding grip, and this is the third one, which is having a operating head at both the ends. And here we go with the other one, and this I'm not sure where we will be using this. Probably let me check. Probably this, not this as well. We'll check it on the other side. Yeah, here it has been fixed, but how to use this I'm not sure. So guys, I have tried different combination, but I'm unable to figure out how to use that particular toolkit with the particular things available in the box. I will figure out later, but for now let's move on to the another part. Before that, I will just keep these things in the box again, and this is the right way, and here is the flexible head, And the next item is this one, the vacuum creator or whatever. You can lift up any materials. Let's say if you are taking out the LCD of this mobile phone, so you can lift it up directly, or you can take it, just say if you are taking out the processor, so processor is of this much size, you can just create a vacuum and lift it up directly. And the last item which I am holding, everyone knows, this is a mobile phone SIM card tray opener. And I feel that's it. We have covered all the items available in the box. But last thing what I want to say is the quality. The quality of the toolkit is not so premium, and the box build is also not so good. Okay, one more thing is remaining. This is magnetizer. I am seeing here two things are written: magnetize and demagnetize. I'm not sure how I will be demagnetizing the things. So the thing is, like, there might be one magnet inside this particular thing. Okay, let's open it up. It's just two clips and we can open it up. For this one I will be using that toolkit which was provided in the screwdriver set, so I'm using it. So this is how you have to use it. So it's so easy using that toolkit. So here is the magnet. This is not even the neodymium magnet, it's just a normal regular magnet, ferrite core magnet, ferrite magnet. And this will not work much. It's okay. It is having less magnetic power, but for screwdrivers, most of the time in a screwdriver set they should provide the neodymium magnet, which is having more magnetic power. Okay, so basically the quality is not so good, and I have received this box in damaged condition. The upper cover is damaged. I'm not sure how it got damaged, maybe due to the bad handling or the packaging. So probably I need to replace this item, or I might be returning this back. And the main reason of doing that would be the screwdriver beads quality. The beads are not so good. Let me focus the bead so that I can show the deformness of the beads, because this may not work if you will be opening the MacBook or the iPhones. So the iPhone and MacBook screw are very precise, and you need a precise set of a screwdriver, or you might be damaging the screw of those costly equipments, or else the screwdriver. Anyway, screwdriver doesn't matter, but the equipments matter. For example, you can take a look on these beads. These beads are not so fine. It's deformed, so that's why it's not good for the premium products. So guys, that's it in this video. If you find this video helpful, please do like this video, share this video as much as you can, and subscribe my channel for the latest update. And yes, do press the bell icon to receive the notification immediately whenever I'm uploading a video. Till then, keep rocking. See you in the next video. Bye bye.